What are prokaryotes and what are eukaryotes? First come to the prokaryotes. These are the group of organisms having non-nucleated cell and are known as prokaryotes. We can see here no nucleus is present. So in lower form of life such as bacteria and some algae, the cell is devoid of nucleus and the genetic and metabolic material are not separated from each other. These group of organisms having non-nucleated cell are known as prokaryotes. You can see here also the genetic material is present inside the cytoplasm and the metabolic material is surrounding it, like ribosome, mesosome. No nucleus and no nuclear membrane is present here. Pro means before and karyotic means nucleus. So before nucleus means these organisms have or these cells have no nucleus. These are comparatively smaller in size and are unicellular, and the genetic material is present in the cytoplasm. Now come to the eukaryotes. What are the eukaryotes? The nuclear containing cells are known as eukaryotes. In complex form of life like in human or in animal, the cell contain a membrane bound nucleus in which hereditary information is stored in DNA of the chromosome, and the part of cell outside the nucleus is known as cytoplasm. Such organisms containing nucleated cell are called eukaryotes. You can see here the nucleus is present here. Inside the nucleus there is nucleoli, and this nucleus contains the genetic material, the chromosomes. Outside the nucleus, the part is called cytoplasm, jelly-like substance which called cytoplasm, and it contains the metabolic materials like Golgi apparatus, ribosome, mitochondria, etc. In this picture you can also see nucleus is here. Eukaryotic cell contain the nucleus and the nuclear membrane, while the prokaryotic cell doesn't contain. So U means true and karyotic means nucleus. These are cells containing true nucleus or having nucleus. These are larger in size. These can be unicellular or multicellular. Nucleus are present and well developed, and genetic material is present inside the nucleus. So the basic difference between these two is prokaryotics are non-nucleated cell while the eukaryotics are nucleated cell.